Hello everyone, Adi Simion, Coldwell Banker. Today I want to talk to you about open houses. When are you on the market and you have your agent make an open house for your home so they can bring people to see the house and eventually get to sell it, you're opening yourself up to some issues. Okay, there are people out there, believe it or not, on all areas that are looking for open house signs, and they go in the open house and they're trying to steal things. I've heard stories about people losing their Rolex watches, their very expensive jewelry. So what I tell my clients when I list the property, obviously on the listing agreement, there is a clause there telling the client that I'm not responsible. So a lot of agents just, they know they're not responsible, they don't care. But I go ahead and tell my clients, listen, you're gonna open up the house, you're gonna have a sign in the front of your house saying it's open, welcome in. Anybody can walk in. So just think about it. People could take your stuff. So you gotta make sure you go around the house and look and see what can be stolen. Just anything that can be taken easily and put in your pocket, you could lose. Somebody will take it. So you got to be very careful. Unfortunately, there are bad people out there. I've heard all kinds of stories, actually even agents being in trouble, getting in fights with people, catching them stealing things. So you want to take away anything that could become an object that somebody will want. So, if you have a safe, put it in the safe. Just protect yourself. It's unfortunate, but it is the reality and it happens. So make sure you do that, because it could. I've seen people actually going a step ahead and put some cameras. That is pretty smart. Just put cameras in the house, and when the open house happens, they're recording. If something happens, you actually can catch the crooks. So that's another idea, but as a rule of thumb, just look around, see what can be taken, and just hide it. Alrighty, that was something that I was thinking this morning because of the open house that's coming in tomorrow, and I told the clients the same thing, and I wanted to talk to you guys about it as well. So have a good day now, have a good weekend. Adi Simion, Coldwell Banker. Talk to you soon. Bye. Hey, thanks for watching. If you like what you see, please click the link below and subscribe to my channel. I cannot wait to watch your comments. And if you have a particular subject that you want me to cover, please comment in the section below. Thank you.